Want to unblock and block a user on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can block or unblock the character on Talkie AI. First thing first, move into Talkie AI Lab. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, head over to your profile. Inside profile, click on the settings icon. You can see the option where it says manage block list. Click on it. Well, in this page, you will be able to see all of the people that you have blocked. And right beside that, you will also see the option of unblock. Simply click on the unblock option in order for you to unblock it. Now, if you want to block it, then all you gotta do is head over to your profile. Click on this three dot. You have to click on report. Select the reason that you want to report. Include all the descriptions and also evidence. After that, click on submit, where reporting the character will be automatically blocked. So this is simply how you can block or unblock characters on Talkie AI. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.